arriving at James Station.
Ooh, a Bentley. Building. Now I got damn full truck traveling in there. Got wood on the back of them. You know what I'm saying? All driving for Geeko. You know what I'm saying? And I got them trailers
Hey, we're at Ontario Place. We got in for free. We don't have a pass or tickets, but we're gonna see if we're gonna find some people who don't do their job right. See if we can go on some rides. Already done the free fall, as you can see. Stupid funhouse man. Got you! Yeah!
I wish I brought my Steadicam.
District is at the Toronto Airshow. It's our private helicopter, you know, because we are VIP.
Yes, we are. Oh well.
You told me all along you're right, our love was wrong. But now I've changed my mind, 'cause she broke the timeline, and I know that she never cared for me. Well, I can do what she do, like it's something that's so smart. Oh, you try to tell me all alone, you know you break my heart. I'm left, you're right, she's gone. You're right, and I'm left all alone. Well, she's gonna know where, but I just don't care. All for now, I'm falling for you.